Before we jump into the nitty-gritty, let's establish what a high-quality lead truly means in the home service industry. It's not just someone who fills out a form. A high-quality lead is someone who has a genuine need for your services. They're not just browse. They have a problem they need solved. Is within your service area. Geographic relevance is crucial for efficient scheduling and service delivery. Fits your ideal customer profile. They understand the value of professional service and are willing to pay for quality work. Is ready to engage. They're actively seeking solutions and are receptive to communication. ServiceTitan empowers you to identify and attract these ideal leads through a multifaceted approach. Let's start with arguably the most crucial aspect of modern lead generation, your online presence. Optimizing your online presence with ServiceTitan. Your website is often the first point of contact for potential customers. ServiceTitan integrates seamlessly with your existing online platforms, providing valuable insights and tools to convert website visitors into leads. Firstly, consider online booking and chat functionalities. ServiceTitan allows you to embed online booking forms directly onto your website. This isn't just a convenience for customers. It's a powerful lead capture tool. When a potential customer can schedule an appointment instantly, without picking up the phone, you remove a significant barrier to conversion. These online bookings directly populate your ServiceTitan schedule, creating a lead record automatically. Similarly, integrated chat features, often powered by ServiceTitan's capabilities or third-party integrations, allow for immediate engagement. A quick question answered via chat can quickly turn a casual browser into a qualified lead, especially if you can guide them to book an appointment or request a quote directly through the chat. Secondly, customer reviews and reputation management are absolutely critical. In the home service industry, trust is paramount. ServiceTitan helps you solicit and manage customer reviews across various platforms. Positive reviews act as powerful social proof, boosting your credibility and encouraging new customers to choose you. When a potential lead sees dozens or even hundreds of glowing reviews, it significantly increases their confidence in your services. ServiceTitan can automate review requests after a job is completed, making it effortless to build a strong online reputation. Furthermore, by monitoring reviews, you can quickly address any negative feedback, showcasing your commitment to customer satisfaction, another trust-building element. Thirdly, search engine optimization, SEO, plays a vital role. While ServiceTitan isn't an SEO tool in itself, the data it provides can inform your SEO strategy. By understanding which services are most requested, where your most profitable jobs are coming from, and the keywords customers use to find you, you can optimize your website content, local listings, and online advertisements to rank higher in search results. When you appear at the top of Google for HVAC repair near me or plumber in your city, you're attracting highly motivated leads who are actively searching for your services. Leveraging ServiceTitan for targeted marketing and follow-up. Beyond attracting initial interest, ServiceTitan excels at helping you nurture leads and convert them into paying customers through targeted marketing and efficient follow-up. One of the most powerful features is its customer relationship management, CRM, capabilities. Every interaction with a customer or potential lead is meticulously recorded within ServiceTitan. This includes call history, service history, estimates, invoices, and even marketing campaign responses. This comprehensive data allows you to create highly personalized marketing campaigns. Imagine sending a targeted email to customers whose HVAC system is nearing its recommended replacement age, offering a special discount on a new installation, or reaching out to past plumbing clients with a reminder about a routine drain cleaning service. This level of personalization significantly increases the likelihood of conversion compared to generic mass marketing. Furthermore, ServiceTitan facilitates automated marketing campaigns. You can set up drip campaigns for various scenarios. For example, if someone requests an estimate but doesn't book immediately, you can automate a series of follow-up emails providing more information about your services, testimonials, or special offers. This consistent, yet non-intrusive, communication keeps your business top of mind and nudges leads closer to conversion. Automated birthday greetings or anniversary reminders for past customers can also foster loyalty and encourage repeat business. Call tracking and recording within ServiceTitan provide invaluable insights into your lead generation efforts. You can track which marketing channels are generating the most calls and even listen to call recordings to assess the quality of leads and the effectiveness of your customer service team in converting those calls into appointments. This data is crucial for optimizing your marketing spend and training your staff. If a particular ad campaign is generating a lot of calls but few conversions, you can investigate why. Perhaps the ad is attracting the wrong audience, or your call handlers need additional training. Streamlining the lead-to-job workflow. ServiceTitan doesn't just help you get leads. It helps you manage them efficiently through the entire sales pipeline, from initial contact to job completion. Estimate creation and presentation are seamlessly integrated. When a technician is on-site, they can generate professional, tiered estimates directly from their tablet using ServiceTitan. This allows customers to choose the level of service and features that best suit their needs and budget, increasing conversion rates. The ability to present options clearly and concisely empowers customers to make informed decisions, reducing hesitation and objections. Dispatch and scheduling are optimized to ensure leads are attended to promptly. ServiceTitan's intelligent scheduling features help you optimize technician routes, minimize travel time, and ensure that appointments are booked efficiently. Prompt service is a key differentiator in the home service industry, and ServiceTitan helps you deliver on that promise, turning interested leads into satisfied customers without unnecessary delays. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.